Look at that bastard. Go stay there. Come inside.
Mom, hold this one.
No, be there. He tried. They think I'm traveling.
Stay there, what's so?
You want to fuck my wife? Look at that. No, be there. Look. No,
Okay,
stay there. Stay there. Move it. Look at this stupid kid. I'll get front of the camera. C'était prêt. Just 1 second for me to leave the girl.
I will do something bad.
You understand, yeah?
No.
Wait. You see me already, wait. No. Comment tu vas faire les conneries comme ça, hein, mon frère? Wait, don't.
Mais your best friend.
Bad things, This is like an evil man. Oh, no. You see the bad things about you? I've got every video. Listen.
Oh my God, man. Stay there because you will piss me off. Do you understand, yeah? Il y a quelqu'un qui a voyagé, avec moi a voyagé. Hein? Exagère. Escroc.
But listen, yeah? No. It's bad. No. If it's a game, right? Why are you naked? Tell me why are you naked? Why? If it's a game. I knew you was lying when you was coming to the house. No, stay. No, stay. You have to stay here. This is not really bad.
I'm gonna beat him.
No one is gonna beat you. No one. This is wicked, you know. You need Jesus in your life.
Together, you think I'm gonna jump on the plane? This is stupid. He took me to the bus stops. We got the car.
Do you know the way he's doing it? The best thing for my husband. My husband will separate and for him to come and be my husband. What kind of things is this all the time? You always say a bad thing that he has got girlfriend.
You say I go to fuck around, you want to fuck around, maybe can't be able to fuck around.
You have to see.
What's up?
He's taking pictures.
I saw you was his best friend.